Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer and I am a licensed speech pathologist with the focus on dementia training who has been working with the geriatric population for about 10 years. I started this channel for all of the caregivers out there who are having to care for their loved ones at home. Because let's face it, being a caregiver isn't easy, especially if your loved one suffers from dementia or recently had a stroke or faces any one of the hundreds of diseases out there that makes aging a lot less fun. Ever since the pandemic, I've watched so many of my patients being forced to return home to families that have no idea how to help care for them. So I decided I wanted to help. I've learned that as a therapist, I'm merely scratching the surface when it comes to providing the best possible care and improving my patients' quality of life if I don't also teach, educate, and inspire their family and friends. So, if you're a caregiver or even someone trying to tackle this alone, this channel was created to empower you with the information you need and encourage you through ideas and training so that you and your loved ones succeed at home. If you think this channel is right for you, please subscribe and click the bell icon to stay up to date on all of my newest content. And feel free to share this information with others or consider joining my Facebook group, Caregiver Helping Hands. It takes a village, my friends. So, whether it's memory issues, trouble communicating, difficulty swallowing, or anything in between, I'll help you crack the code.